Hey guys, welcome to Andrew's Streaming Tips. Today I want to bring you a new update of Tvzion TV, another alternative for Cyberflix TV. The new HD releases is down, but they add in this new update they add a new HD really section. Okay, so let me just show you here. I'm gonna go to settings. I'll show you now. Settings. And we're gonna scroll all the way down. And you guys can see here the new release is a new update is 3.0 beta 6.4. Okay guys. So and with this update, they add more scrapers. They add the 4K movies. They add subtitles, downloads. They fix some bugs they have brand new watch list UL casting. They add a bunch of things here, but the main thing is they add more links. They actually have 4K movies, the track support, and the new new sources and the new in HD section. So you know it's been working really good. I try and you know it's been doing really good. So this is a alternative for Cyberflix TV. So let's go to movie section, and here you have it. Okay, let's pick a movie here. And we gotta just select play, and look, already all the links that you have there. Scrape really fast, and also has the autoplay, which is really nice. You guys don't have to select link if you don't want to. I mean, it's showing all the failed links, the bad links, and if you just give it a bit of time, it's just gonna play the movie for you. There's a lot of links. There's more links what actually Cyberflix TV actually ever give. And here you have no track account yet. Sorry, no real debris. There's nothing yet. So there's a lot of links there. Let's just give a second here, and just like that, guys. You know, it's putting the best link there. So if you guys are looking for a new alternative for the new HD release, there's no working for Cyberflix TV. This is a really good one, and has really good updates, and it's still beta, but it's working really good. Okay guys, so I will leave you guys play with it, and see you in the next one. Okay, so if you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and if you have anything you wanna let me know, just please comment and just share. Let's grow the channel, guys. Please support me by subscribing. Okay, so see you in the next one.